guys, it's me, Here's of Cookies. Welcome back to another video. This is kind of a blog or vlog thing. The reason why you don't see my face right now is it. Yeah. I made my bed. Small roomy vamp. There's Skittles' cage over there. Past video, I know you've seen him near with a blue blanket over there, and not the brown blanket. Well, someone in my family surprised me with a brown blanket, and yeah. Also, the Firestrike has a built-in red dot. Yeah. 2 AAA batteries. I'm using these battery types and the one that I just fired. And yeah. Pretty good time. Yeah. Also, this Red Yoshi plush right here, he's not bootleg. You know, how do I know? Well, there's no holes in him yet. And well, he looks like Nintendo, like the one Nintendo made. Yeah. I love Yoshi. He's one of my favorite Nintendo characters. So yeah. I do like him a lot. Also, three of the Simpsons are like Easter things, but yeah. The three other Simpsons besides the black one aren't really gifts. They were you know, they were got for me sometime in April. That BB-8 plush I got in April. The vintage mini plush, boy oh boy, was a gift. And over there's Blue. Yeah, revamp. Favorite Angry Bird, Blackbird. But yeah. That big mini, the biggest mini I have, the 24-inch one, the 2016 one. I got that one in 2016, you know. Yeah. I have no clue when I'm gonna get a mini plush bigger than, well, at least as big as you know, her, you know, Christmas mini. Christmas mini, and at least bigger than, it could be bigger than the big mini. Yeah. Minnie's my favorite Disney character, so yeah. I am a huge fan of Star Wars. Yes, I have Lego. I like fruit shoot sometimes. This one's the naturally flavored one. Furniture Projector Part 3. It will be coming out this month. Sorry for the delay. Now, for Skittles. Need to uncover him first. He's been not uncovered for a while, so yeah. I'll uncover him right now. He's doing fine. I'd be, you know, posting the update on Skittles on my secondary channel, Mickey and Skittles, but I just decided to, you know, put this on my channel. He's a touch me now. He's beginning to, you know, trust me, at least with the tip of his tail, and only with the tip of his tail. Yes, I am petty. So yeah, want to see more parakeet videos? Keep videos, subscribe. Peace out. Oh yeah, I'm shooting for 50 likes. 50 likes is I think a maximum. Good old gore here. The flag of the USA. Oh yeah. If you want to see a tutorial on how to make the UK's flag, let me find it. I think it's in like the Britain, the B's, or the U's. It's not in either. It's not in one of them. So yeah, let me find the U. The United Kingdom's flag. I'll be posting a tutorial on how to make a banner for that in Minecraft. Hi! Shift over my flip here.